Today on Unsolved Mysteries.
Where the fuck did that go?
Well, greetings there, Tractor Thoughts Nation. Grandpa didn't show up to chop today, so it's me at the helm. So since it is me inside the chopper today, and I'm waiting on Dad to get back with the truck, I figured I'd give you a little show around this side of the operation. Pain in the ass, I'd rather be in the truck. However, okay, so for starters, we got the pretty much same inside here that I've shown you before. All my instruments, whatever. Got my dash with my fucking readouts, whatever on it. And then over here we got the chopper box. It controls everything to do with the fucking chopper. This little lever right here controls the spout. Fucking sun's in the way. That's kind of better. I don't know. Fuck it. You know what I'm talking about. Fucking spout right there. It shoots up into the end of the wagon. It also controls the head. Let me get the PTO on here real quick. Give you a little demonstration of that. So yeah, got PTO right in, and I hit fucking these little switches here both at the same time forward, and it turns that head on there, and then the same, push it back here, fucking reverse the bitches. Dad just showed up with the truck, he's back there. And then what we do on this side is this big ass lever right here. We're gonna go ahead, push that forward, lift this sumbitch up. Yeah, once he gets fucking backed in here, it's taking forever. So yeah, no, so just go ahead, put that up. Yeah, and then with this sumbitch here, we gotta run her balls fucking out when we're taking corn in. Yeah, just so we don't have to mix up like what Grandpa always used to have, or usually has. Get the damn dropper plugged up. And you guys have seen that before, so there's not really need to show you, dump it in the box. It does have a metal detector up there. As you can see right here, fucking what you're supposed to do on my convenient little warning label. But other than that, I mean, the inside here, it's all pretty well explained. Just line up your fucking corn rows and put it in, and don't fucking run any over. But it's rather slow and monotonous. I imagine with video games that grinding, it's pretty much like that. It's the same fucking shit, row after row, load after load. Scenery doesn't change, nothing, just fucking boring. That's why I'd rather be in the truck. At least I get to see something different every now and again. But I digress. It needs done. Gives me a little opportunity to do a little video. Yeah. We're almost done with these fields, so my scenery will change here in a day or so when we get moved. Serves me right. Giving Grandpa so much shit. And then this goes and happens to me. Done with and busted a bolt down here on this shaft. There's supposed to be a bolt right there and a sleeve right here. Yeah, yes, it just goes to show that we're all human and this shit happens. And it always seems to happen on the last 4 fucking rows!